ESD vinyl flooring is designed with specific properties that enable it to conduct or dissipate static electricity safely and efficiently. The ESD flooring's ability to provide continuous static protection over its lifetime is a result of careful engineering and material selection. The vinyl material itself is durable and resistant to wear and tear, ensuring that the conductive or dissipative properties remain intact even with regular use. Additionally, the manufacturing process is optimized to ensure consistent quality and performance, with strict quality control measures in place to guarantee that each tile of static flooring meets the required standards for static protection. One of the key features that make anti-static PVC flooring a reliable choice for lifetime static protection is its long-term durability. The static flooring is resistant to abrasion and chemical spills, ensuring that it maintains its functionality and appearance over an extended period. To ensure that you get the most reliable lifetime static protection from ESD flooring tiles, it is essential to choose the right supplier. Y.H.F Floors, a China manufacturer specializing in ESD control flooring, offers high-quality products that are certified to meet relevant international standards for ESD protection. We also provide comprehensive technical support and guidance, helping you to select the most suitable ESD flooring solution for your specific application and ensuring proper installation and maintenance.